Hello everyone, today I'm going to be showing you how to sign up on your TanTan. First of all, I hope you have downloaded the app and let's open it. Add to home screen, I'm going to cancel that. Allow, yes, allow. Alright, so once you have started the app, this is what it looks like. We can continue with mobile and continue with Facebook. Let's continue with mobile. I'm going to enter my mobile number right here. You do the same. Once you have done that, TanTan will send you a verification code on your mobile phone. So let's wait for it. There you go. And now copy and paste it right there. Once you have done that, it asks you to put a nickname. I'm just going to put a random one. And select your birthday. Oh, it's actually not towards 2050. Alright, let me put 1956, February 17. Okay. Now click on your gender. Once you have done that, enter your password. And after that, it asks you to add a photo. I'm gonna add mine. Click on allow and choose any photos from your gallery. Alright, I am gonna be putting this picture, and now click on continue. Once you have done that, click on complete. Finally, it asks you to start swiping. Click on it and click on allow and never save password. And there you go. Congratulations, you have successfully signed in into your TanTan account. For more videos like this, make sure to hit that subscribe button and hit that like button. Thank you for watching.